Pioneer ERP system has a complete fixed assets module. With basic data setup, you can control all your assets, like document types, disposal types, assets locations, assets description, assets components. So, let's start with document types. In the document types page, you may create a new document type by entering the basic data here and save it. And it will be displayed here as one of document types. You may edit or delete any of your document types. For disposal types, you will go with the same process, by creating new, or editing or deleting, one of what you have here in the list. Also, asset types can be identified by creating new asset type. You will find here a list of all major data. For example, we have a furniture type here. With all this related data, you can specify the depreciation rate, also the depreciation segment, one of what we have here in the ERP system. Also all the accumulate depreciation account and the asset account. For assets locations, you also have the ability to edit any of existing assets locations. Just specify the segment, specify which depreciation account and save it. Now we will talk about assets depreciation. As usual, you can create new asset depreciation, or edit any of existing asset depreciation. By hitting Assets Components, you can add or edit any of your assets components. Let's make a new asset component by selecting the type. You may add notes and for sure, English and Arabic name. In the Assets section itself, you can manipulate by editing or deleting, and choose by adding new asset. The paging system here, made to make it easy to browse all your assets. Now let's go to the Transactions section. We will start with Post-Asset Depreciation. When you take this action, you will find some of your asset depreciation post-made before. You may edit or view, or maybe delete any of them. Here you have the ability to recalculate the depreciation. Back to Transactions. We can go here to Assets Depreciation. We can start Department from Asset Type and the asset itself. Specify the date, and you can calculate the depreciation. You can select which file type. You may export it, or you may print it out. By using a printer, for asset movement, you may move any asset from any location to any other location. Under Transactions, we also have Assets Disposal. Here you can create new disposal. Just fill in all the data and save it. And now you made your disposal successfully. For documents, you can create a new document for any asset you have by selecting the asset itself. And this is the document. Fill in all the data and save. We have asset requests. You can also create new requests by hitting the button, and you have it as usual. This is all the transactions. You may need to manage your assets by entering reports. As usual, in Pioneer ERP system you have a list of all what you need to report, and here we have Advanced Assets Inquiry, which is controlled by filtering system to search for accurate asset data. Fixed Assets Module, in Pioneer ERP system powered by ACT Qatar Computer and Technology. For any inquiries, please contact us to arrange a demo appointment. Thank you.